Hi there, and welcome to another Ndebele lesson where I teach you how to pronounce Ndebele syllables and words, and also teach you how to make sentences in isiNdebele. My name is Bongiwe Mtambo and I'm happy to have you aboard. So, I need you to listen to these two words. The first one is kuyadula, and the second one is kuyadlula. Do you hear the difference? Do you notice the difference between dula and dlula? All right, so let me show you how we spell these sentences, these words. Okay, the first one is kuyadula. This one means it's expensive. And then the second word is kuyadlula. Kuyadlula, meaning it's passing. All right, so this is what the L does. When you bring the L next to the D, it produces a completely different sound, which is zli. All right, so in today's video, I want to teach you how to pronounce these two different syllables. And by the end of this lesson, I want you to be able to identify them. I want you to be able to see them when they are written in words, and be able to see that this is D and this is Z, and be able to pronounce the words confidently. So let's do it. So we're going to start off with the super simple D. All right. So do this after me. Say this after me. Da, de, di, do, do. It's easy, this one. Okay, so let's get right into the words that I have for you today. The first word I have is idada. Idada is a duck. Okay, idada. Number two, idelele. Idelele means okra, the vegetable. Okay, so idelele. Moving on, we have idili. Idili. Idili is a party in Ndebele. Okay, so if you wanted to say I'm going to a party, you'd be like ngiya edilini. Ngiya edilini. Number four, idolo. Idolo. So idolo is the knee. Idolo. So now when you're talking about two knees, you're going to say amadolo. Amadolo. All right? And the last word that I have for you is idube. Idube. Idube is a zebra. Okay? And then dube is also a sentence in is also a surname in isiNdebele. So if you are talking about a man whose surname is Dube, you would say uDube. So the person is uDube, but the zebra is idube. Okay, so that's it on the D. Let me give you just 3 simple sentences that use the D sound. All right. The first sentence I have for you is amadolo ami abuhlungu. Amadolo. Right? So this sentence means my knees are hurting. Amadolo ami abuhlungu. Right? The next sentence is izolo ngibone idada. Izolo ngibone idada. Yesterday I saw a duck. Yesterday I saw a duck. Okay? Moving on. Leli lidube. Leli lidube simply means this is a zebra. Leli lidube. Right? So that's it on the D. Now let's add the L to the D to pronounce the sound. All right, so please say this after me. Repeat the syllable after me. Let's go. Dla, dle, dli, dlo, dlu. I feel like repeating this one. Okay, let's do it again. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Okay, that's how you pronounce the z sound. All right, so here are words that will help you understand this, capture this. All right, the first word I have for you is ukudla. Ukudla means food. All right, do you hear the za? Ukudla. Number 2, zepha. So zepha means scratch, like the same way as a cat would scratch you. Okay, so that's zepha. All right, so normally you would hear kids saying let's say uvusa uyangidlepha. Vusa is scratching me. Okay, so it's an act of aggression. Number 3, here is a surname in Ndebele, and it's dliwayo. Dliwayo. Okay, another surname that uses the dli sound is dlodlo. Dlodlo. Okay, that's a surname in Ndebele. Lastly, we have dlula. So this is the word I spoke about at the beginning. Dlula. Dlula means pass or pass by. All right. So here are a few sentences that you can practice with as you learn the dla sound. This one is a question. Uyadlula nini? Uyadlula nini? When are you passing by? And the answer would be ngizadlula kusasa. I will pass by tomorrow. Ngizadlula kusasa. Okay. And here is another simple sentence for you. Ngicela ukudla. May I have some food? Ngicela ukudla. Okay. I hope you are getting the difference between the D and the Z. Okay. Let me know your experience in the comments below, or let me know your questions if you have them. So it's been lovely having you in this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. If you got some value from this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please just do so. Just click the subscribe button so you keep seeing more and more of these videos as I post them. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.